The Burmese python, an invasive species of snake in the Florida Everglades, has been linked to declining mammal populations in the area. The species of python has decimated populations of rabbits, deer, raccoons and other mammals. Rodents, however, have persisted, and a species of mosquito has been forced to feed on the rats, which carry the Everglades virus. The mosquito transmits the virus, and this could put humans at greater risk to exposure. The new research, published in the journal Biology Letters, looks at the repercussions of declining mammal populations in the Everglades. The study is about how a vector mosquito, called Culex sedosi, has shifted from feeding on a variety of mammals to feeding almost exclusively on certain rodents in parts of the Everglades where the Burmese python has established itself. Because the python has been behind the drastic reduction in populations of rabbits, deer, raccoons and other mammals, rodents are the only mammals that have persisted in python-established areas. This is likely because of their naturally high population density levels and explosive reproduction. However, now that populations of rabbits, raccoons and deer have plummeted, the C. sedosi mosquito is forced to feed on rodents, particularly the hispid cotton rat. According to the researchers at the University of Florida, the hispid cotton rat happens to be one of the only known natural hosts of Everglades virus, a pathogen that causes encephalitis, inflammation of the brain. In addition, C. sedosi is the only mosquito known to transmit Everglades virus, so as this mosquito feeds more and more on hispid cotton rats, this could increase the prevalence of Everglades virus and human risk to exposure. Nathan Burkett-Cadena, one of the authors of the research, told FIRES.org that the main point readers should take is that invasive species have consequences beyond economics costs and disrupting community function. Hopefully, this work could spur more research focused on the impact of invasive species for human health, says Burkett-Cadena. Voters and policymakers need to understand how human activities that affect the environment can have unintended consequences, which can increase our risk of infection with dangerous pathogens. The next step for the researchers will be to investigate whether changes in the mammal community caused by the Burmese python has actual consequences for infections prevalence in the vector mosquito.